great about this Mobi is that you can power it with our existing infrastructure. You can plug it in right to the EV charging station. So this Mobi is at 92%. It's ready to unplug and power the food truck for up to 2 weeks now. So we just remove the joystick and drive it over to the food truck. Now that we have the Mobi in place, we can just press on.
We can take our electricity generated by renewable sources, whether it's wind or solar, and we can charge this up and then run this food truck with this instead of the generator that's on the food truck, which number one, it has a lot of emissions, and number two, it's noisy, and again, number three, it's using fossil fuel, so it saves the environment.
The other one we had, it would shut off, it would break down all the time, we would have to be checking it during service, and this one is just like silent, we have air for once, we really love it, it's really great and clean, no type of smell, nothing.
The power I need for my machine is a little tricky, so it's always been an issue. I couldn't find a solution without my generators. So I am demoing the Mobi Gen.
And we're pulling 30 amps, no problem. We could run this truck all day long, zero issues, we're completely off the grid.
We use it for community outreach, loan it out to the film industry instead of using actual fossil fuel generators.